that I used to be a married man. But since my divorce, on the grounds of adultery, was on the part of my wife, I've lived as a single man ever since, you see. But I have one confession to make. And that is, you are the one who stole my lonely heart.
You know, you're such a kind man, and I just don't understand. Why does my mom hate you so much?
Yeah, that's the point, you see. I would have loved sleeping dogs to lie. But, Lamon, since you brought it up, I just have to tell you. Now, I have to tell you the truth, now or never. You see? I think your mother loves me.
Alaji, how can you say such a thing like that? What makes you think my mom likes you while she knows you're dating me?
Exactly. That's the point. You see, you can't be too sure. Some mothers can betray and even destroy their own daughters. And your mother could be one. I'm telling you. Well, I hope if I should tell you this, you won't get angry. It wouldn't get to you. Your mother told me right in my face that she loves me and that I should stop going out with you because you're a student, you're a young girl, and that I should stop going out with you. The relationship should stop so that we can move together. And I can move in with her so that we can live as man and wife. But you know what? I put my foot down. I said never, never. I will never stop with you. Impossible. I refused, my dear. I refused, totally.
I see. I now know why my mom hates you so much.
want you to stay away from Alaji, didn't I? Huh? I want you to stay away from that man, didn't I?
But you are the one that pushed me in this thing in the first place.
That's why I'm telling you to quit. He's not the type of man for you.
Well, I'm sorry. I've already fallen in love with him.
Mad. How can you fall in love with such a man? And besides, what do you know about love? You.
I knew nothing until you taught me, and I'm still learning. Besides, he hasn't done anything to me. He's good company and he takes good care of me. I just can't leave him like that.
Oh. So, Diamond, so you think you've grown enough to talk to me anyhow, eh? I see. Those guys he selected for you, you fall in love with him. Wait. I have been good again.
Susuma ubumfu bay miunyanka nesuna kachio uye bribia eyareniye moria simu okontomu ano menti susuma ubumfu bay miunyanka nesuna kachio uye bribia eyareniye moria simu ubekwa enwa na ubecha.
Diamond.
Yes, Mom.
Diamond, I want to tell you something. Promise me that you're not going to be upset.
What is it?
It's about Alaji. We were once dating. That was before you came from the village.
Look, I don't believe you at all. As you can see, I'm trying to concentrate.
Did you just hear what I said? I said, the Alaji that you were in love with was once my man. We were lovers.
So what do you expect me to do? Laugh or cry? Look, I don't believe you because I know my mother would be so naive into pushing me to sleep with a man she already dated. No one will believe you.
It's true. I have a proof of that. Diamond. Oh my goodness, God. I could never get your baby, Ashe. Hey, Ayaka. I didn't tell me your baby, Kasha, and I said,
what did you buy so sadly? Nakonia Yankura? Son, you see a kind. I want Mamma. We're rat now, Sua. I find now, Tano, or Tanunaraqua. Miss me no Yanka, dear, and near draw, baby. What did you buy so sad in Nakonia Yankura? Say when you see a kind. I want Mamma. Well, who art now, Consua? I find now, Tano, or Tanunaraqua. I can't one moment is so much.
Good day, Ma. Is there any food for me today?
Don't walk in here and be calling me more, okay? I'm not your mother. Am I your mother? Am I your mother? I'm asking you. Huh? Don't walk in here again and call me more. See, I'm not doing myself. I'm your mate, right? Because you're me shit. Me no neshubo, we sleep with the same man. Don't come in here and call me your mother.
Mom, this is not fair. Why don't you understand that Alaji means everything to me apart from God and you? He's the only one that keeps me going, and I can't simply forget about him just like that.
And dare not call me mother, right? Dare not walk in here and call me mom or ask me for your food. I'm not your mother, right? I didn't make that. When you could drop it down, the shake, no swash shake. The what? You see, you pass on. You know, and yes, forget. And you come. More. Come here and call me more. Give me a color. What do you do me so? And you do me rubber so. Girl, what do you think you are doing? Huh? What do you think you are doing?
I'm cooking. For us.
Cooking for who? Who asked you to cook? How can I happily eat from the hands of a daughter who doesn't respect? I'm sorry.
I don't understand.
As long as you continue to fool around with Alaji, consider yourself my enemy, right? In fact, go to his house and cook for him. This is my house and everything belongs to me, right? Come on. That's it. That's one. Tell me. Nonsense. Here. See you touch anything again. Say I am cooking. Nonsense. Who asked you to touch my things? What exactly do you need from me? Huh? What do you want from me? Who asked you to wash the things? Have I asked you? How did you do that?
But Mom, I always wash your clothes for you, so what difference does it make if I wash them today?
Not now. It was when I considered you as a daughter. At the moment you are a married woman. We are all marrying the same man. So I don't want you to touch my things, okay? Don't touch me again. Don't touch me. Again. Nonsense. Next time you learn lesson out of this foolish girl. Stupid fool. You see, I'm not worried about my back home. It wasn't so big. So what did I make a channel? When you got a rival. Stupid. He'll be back. You know what, Diamond? I want you to forget about that man for now, right?
Why?
Diamond, you won't understand. In fact, he had wanted to marry you, but I thought he was too old to be your father. That's why I want you to forget about him, okay? Oh, sweetheart, understand. I know how you feel, but just forget about him for now, right? Who knows? You might be the 8th or the 6th wife. Besides, you are also pretty enough to be someone's first wife. So forget about him. I know you will meet a man of your age, right? So that you might live happily thereafter with that person. He's too old.
Okay, Mommy. If that's what you want me to do.
That's my girl.
I'll forget about him.
Thank you so much. Come on. Give me a hug. That's my sweet girl. Thank you very much, okay? Good. Now get inside. And what were you? Here like that, and we can't go back to the village too.
What do we do?
But the situation now depends on you alone, solely on you. Do you remember that Alaji that followed you to the house the other day?
Yeah. What about him?
He has expressed interest to take care of us, if only you agree to be with him.
Mother! me out to a man as old as my father?
No. But then, that's the only way out now. And besides, your education too is at stake. You must make some sacrifices to be educated.
This is ridiculous. I'm disappointed, please.
Okay. Then go on the streets and then forgo your education. Diamond. See, I love you. But then we can't be on the streets like that. At the moment, he's our only hope. He's promised to take good care of you. I mean, to whatever level you want to be. I wish I could, but I don't have the means. So think about it. Right? I love you. Not that I don't love you, I love you. Think about it very well. You need to be educated too. Come on, don't cry. Don't cry. I want you to think about it. At the moment, he's our only hope. To buy you a television. This is mine.
You like that? Point of correction. This TV belongs to Alaji, not you. If you're looking for a husband, go back to the village. Your husband is waiting for you there. Alaji will always be mine and mine forever.
You this girl. Are you crazy? You were crazy, eh? Do you want to compete with me? And let me tell you, there is no way that you can ever compete with me, right?
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Look at you, an old woman, competing with me over a man who doesn't feel anything for you. Look at this delicious body, at this Tarabang's body. You can compete with me in your wildest dreams.
Hey,
I feel sorry for you.
are you trying to insult me? Are you here to insult me? Huh?
Mom, you slapped me.
And I will slap you again. Open your mouth. Dare open your mouth again. And I will slap you. Stupid fool. Shabo. Kola kitwa de ma me plan house open. Me boa. Dia mi die head house open so odipi. Kola boni. E dia na mo ye dia. You go brim. You go dia ye na so odipi. Kosudi. Nonsense. Shabo get away. Stupid fool.
I feel sorry for you. Oh lady pancake. Wait, 2 pounds is I'm glad to sell. Oh lady bongo. Look at this old lady. What time it came? Go and look for a man of your own. Your husband is waiting for you in the village. Go back. I feel sorry for you.
Diamond, this pen is good.
Is she okay?
Anita, why have you frowned your face? I hope there is no problem.
Alaji, I haven't uttered a word since you came. Don't call for trouble this afternoon. Don't call for trouble. If you are here to pick your so-called wife, just pick her and go away. It's my face. I can choose to do whatever I like to it.
Oh, thank you for accepting the fact that she is my so-called wife. But one thing I don't understand is, why are you jealous? Huh? Why are you jealous? You want to compete with that beautiful daughter of yours? Eh? Look, Anita, accept defeat so that peace can prevail. Huh? Oh yes, here comes my beautiful queen. Queenie Gonda. Diamonds are forever. See that I will. Okay.
See you, mommy.
See you wouldn't need me with you, so that's it. See wouldn't need and no was sick.
You're too jealous. Jealousy.
Plenty.